as the representative work of Civro new generation system, slender frames, Infini Pro PD65SS sliding door offers a number of benefits. Minimal face width, maximum transparency, easy and smooth operation, barrier-free threshold, secure 2-point locking device, humanized microventilation, ultra-wide glazing rebate, quick drainage with invisible base. All of these bring absolute amazing experiences. And more important, Cviro has balanced outlooks and performances, whilst achieving a minimalist design. Our system also guarantees excellent performances to make living environments more comfortable and safe. Various application solutions. Expand imagination for architecture planning and design. In the near future, more products will be developed within the framework of Slender Frame's Infini Pro system, and more intelligent opening solutions will be provided. By adopting innovative technologies, Cviro is creating a more flexible spatial experience without boundaries.